Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I will guide you through the simple process of turning off your active status in the Messenger app. This feature lets you control when others can see if you are online. By following these steps, you can maintain your privacy and avoid unwanted messages. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Next, tap on the menu icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, select the Settings option from the menu. Then scroll down until you find Privacy and Safety and tap on it. Now, continue scrolling down until you see Active Status. Tap on this option to open the settings. Here, you will find the toggle for Show when you're active. Turn this toggle off to disable your active status. Finally, you will be prompted to choose how long you want to pause your active status. You can select options such as until I turn it back on, for 1 hour, for 8 hours, or set a custom time. After making your choice, tap Pause to confirm your selection. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily hide your active status on Messenger and enjoy more privacy while chatting. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.